Good afternoon, everyone.
How are you today?
I'm fine, are you?
Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I
Thank
hope
you.
you all doing great today because today we're going to learn about the basic but important expression in English. What's that? Of course, expression of thanking and apologizing in polite ways.
Okay, guys, it is important, especially as human. Because why? Because actually apologizing manusia dan tempatnya salah. So yeah, we must know how to deliver thank you and apologizing in a polite way as a human. So basically, there's a common vocabulary or kata-kata yang kalian dari thank you. We will explain about thanking first. So the most common way is thank you. Thank you. If someone, for example, if someone give you a gift, for example, let's do this for you. Like that,
Yes.
thank you, of course. And then, everyone, let's say what let's say before. Okay, thank you. Repeat after me.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
Once again.
Okay, once again, more louder. Okay. Thank you. Repeat after me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good, great everyone. But there is the other way to say thank you in English. Jadi kita punya beberapa kata yang bisa dikatakan selain ngomong thank you
Not
in
just
English. Yes. What is that? Such as I'm gonna explain you this one. Thank you very much. Di sini pasti pada udah pernah dengar ya. Thank you very much. Nah, selain itu yang kedua juga ada thanks a lot. And then after that we have I'm very grateful. And then you can say thanks a million. It means that you are very thankful. Jadi ini tuh tekanan emosinya benar-benar sangat-sangat berterima kasih. Kamu bisa menggunakan thanks a million.
In bahasa bisa makasih 1000 kali.
Yeah.
Terima kasih. It is for expressing your gratitude or feelings. So after you know the vocab, kata-katanya apa aja ya? Kata-katanya ada thank you very much, thank you million. There are the way how we respond. For example, let's say thank you. Right? Thank you. You're welcome. That is the response. After you receive something, and then say thank you. I am talking to like you're welcome. There is many ways of respond. Like you're welcome. It is the most polite way. If you talk to the teacher give you a gift, and then you say you're welcome to the teacher itself. So for this response itself, it depends on the context. If in a restaurant says thank you to the Nova, it's just like don't mention it. So like it's alright, it's okay. Gak usah you're welcome. Gak terlalu polite gak apa-apa. Soalnya kan konteksnya your best friend. Okay. It depends on the context. So yeah, guys. After this, you can say something.
Okay, so I will give you the example of this thanking. Yes. So the example condition or the example situation is when Adit received a gift from Sania. Adit mendapatkan hadiah dari Sania.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, and then Sania replies, don't mention it like that.
Yeah, guys. We have some two videos actually. It is not all video, but there is like a clip. There is two video as you can see. I will show that there are apologies, and it is the first thing we're gonna thank you. Actually, there is just example of thank you what already we say, but there is more clearly and animatedly. So you will try to imitate this. Okay, and hear this carefully. For imitating the thank you itself, right? It can be if you want polite like for example, please next to can you bring me that one for me? Yeah. Please, thank you very much, like that, for example. So for the second video, there was apologize, right?
Yes.
Apologize. Let's see where the apologize. because it's more important. Kalau human itu kan tempatnya salah ya, gitu. It's most important sebenarnya. The apology itself is many ways, but the most commonly we now talk about before we know talk about apologize. I want to give you something. Before kita udah bahas thank you ya, karena apologizing yang minta maafnya. But before that, I have something for you. Okay, it is like some. Do you know ice breaking? Not ice breaking, not like that, But it is just like rest, istirahat dulu sejenak. So yeah, I have something here like a paper, like a kertas paper. So one of you walk in pairs, berdua. Okay. But if it is the 5, let's do. You with me, right? Okay, go. Yeah. So one of you are gonna try to take it this one paper. So this one. Okay. What do you got? Let me see. I saw speed. Oh my god. What do you got? Windy. Oh my god. Let's go. Me or you? Yo. Just it. Oh my god, we get princess. Oh my god. We just princess. So after this, we have dialogue. So we're gonna do role play later. Wait a bit.
Did you know what is role play?
Please explain role play.
It's simply like a drama. Like we're acting.
Speed and Kai Cenat. Okay, so Nova will be Kai Cenat. Let me see Kai Cenat. Yes, Nova, Kai Cenat, and then no, just like sorry. I'm gonna give this title, okay? And then KSI will be with Windy. We will be KSI. Okay, and then we are gonna be princess. We are gonna be princess. Bella and Moana. Oh my god, I'm good at it.
You can
Moana. I'm become Mulan. Amin. I'm become. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sorry for the interrupting, guys. It is for our okay. So yeah, you already get your target, your character. It is role play. So remember, you are Enzo Speed, you are Kai Cenat, you are Kaisa, you are Windy, you are Moana, and I'm Bella. Okay, but before this, I'm gonna take this for you guys. You can bisa di pesan di sini ya, pesan di sini. Okay guys, breaking already done. You may be all confused right now why you are doing this, okay? Jaga kalau kita ini. Okay. As the material go, we will try to explain the forgiving, apologize. Now we're gonna take apologize. Apologize is when you do something wrong. For example, oh my god, Restu, I'm sorry for hitting you. I'm not doing it. So you are like don't directly hit someone, but yeah, it is accidentally. Cuma kebetulan, cuma kesalahan dikit. Jadi, so yeah, pay attention to the tone of your lower, so you can, for example, Restu, I'm sorry. Restu will be like, oh my god, she's so scary, she's angry. So yeah, think about your tone yourself.
And then other than we can say I'm sorry, kita selain ngomong I'm sorry, kita bisa gunakan phrases lain, kata-kata lain. For example, like this, we have I apologize, and then we also have please forgive me. Tolong maafkan. So these phrases, it shows that we polite and more formal. Jadi ini kelihatan lebih sopan dan juga bisa digunakan di saat formal. Jadi
So after it is same as thank you, that's what always a response. After you say sorry, and then the front of the people will like this. Yeah. For example, say sorry. Of course, it's okay. It's not don't mention it. It's okay, right? So it will be a response of the sorry itself. Seems like thank you itself. Okay guys, you already have the character. Please put on in your yes, in this clothes. It's okay. Okay, we are gonna do role play. Okay, role play. We are gonna do role play.
Okay. So, I will give you the example of this apologizing.
Okay.
Yes, of course. So, this is the situation. I'll give you the example of the situation. Okay, can you help me?
Okay, the example is like
Okay. Mm-hmm.
you keep my glasses. Okay.
So, I have glasses here.
Like
And
that.
then, I give it to Adit. But then, Adit broke it.
Oh.
He broke it. And then, what did he say?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I broke your glasses.
Yes, I did say sorry, and then Sanya replaced, it's okay, don't worry about it, like that. That's the example, guys.
Okay. So after you know the example of this apologizing and thank you, we're gonna do some role play today. I mean, you already have a character. Oh my god. Your principal. So yeah, we have. Oh my god, what a bad luck. So the first thing. We're gonna have a dialogue. For example, this model is more dialogue. It is speed and Aisenat. And then once more, ISI and Windy. Windy, we can have that. So, you just read together like this. For example, let me. Like, Moana, you are Moana, and like many things. So, it's a repeat. Just baca aja. Just you can just read it, okay? Okay.
We go on.
Let's go. We will be first, okay? Stand up. Yeah. Okay. You first. No problem at all. I'm happy to assist. It's fine. Don't mention it. I'm glad to see. Slowly. You're welcome. Let's meet again for the project discussion later. Yes, thank you so much. Like that, okay everyone? You can stand up, for example, KSI and then Windy. Try to baca aja gak apa-apa. Just read it. Back together. Okay, thank you. Give applause for everyone. That is from, for example, the dialogue. You can search it in the material in the internet. Bisa dilihat di internet yang beginian. Boleh ini dibawa pulang atau bahkan you can make it one with your friend, each other. You will make it, okay? Okay.
And
So,
guys,
yeah.
we also have this tool. We want to introduce you with a tool that could help you to practice speaking practice, yeah.
Jadi, so this the call of this web. Do you know AI? Do you use AI? Use AI? Use AI for it is it. Take the test. AI just like a tools. AI hanya alat, jangan dilakukan lebih banyak ya. Jangan dipakai buat aneh-aneh. So this is called character AI. You will use this in speaking, practice, latihan speaking kayak ini tuh ya hanya buat ngobrol-ngobrol. Jadi kamu bisa contohnya kamu suka F1.
Ya.
Sama ngobrol F1 bisa ngobrol F1. For example, I will try this. Character AI, okay? Karakter, just search in Google. Karakter. After this class, after this section, I will give you all the link and then how to use this correctly. But I will little bit explain a little bit about this. You can see, nih banyak tuh mau apa F1 pembalap F1. F1.
Marcus Verstappen.
Marcus Verstappen siapa? Marcus Verstappen. F1. There is so many F1. You can try to speak Teemu Palenin. You know Teemu Palenin? Sumerian. I think it is for some character game, but game in F1. Okay. So we will more introduce about Skataya in behind because the time is up. So yeah, any question guys before we edit this class?
No.
Any question? Ada question nggak? Ada pertanyaan tentang ini semua? Did you understand right? Kalian paham nggak cara gimana thank you and then apologizing? And then the response itself. Okay? Thank you. Okay guys.
Thank you very much for your attention. I'm so grateful for our
Section.
yes. So I think
Ya, mudah-mudahan ini semua jadi bisa berguna ya. Oke, thank you Kak Sena, thank you Susri, thank you KSI, thank you Midi, thank you Mona, and thank you Bella. Ya, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.